And now let's see Marts and Paula demonstrate Waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Let's see once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now let's look at same Waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start with preparation and natural spin turn. This is overturned version, so we can continue with syncopated running finish to promenade position. And from here we dance a running feather from promenade position into pivot and hesitation with spin ending. Now we dance turning lock to left to promenade position and dance quick open reverse, which is originally quick step figure, and then progressive chasse. Very good. And we will see once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, man is facing diagonally to ball, and we take preparation and start to move diagonally to ball. First bar of natural spin turn, then second bar goes down a line of dance. In same direction we continue with syncopated running finish to promenade position. Now we move diagonally to ball in new line of dance with running feather, and we dance hesitation ending, and diagonally to center we move with turning lock to left to promenade position. Again in same direction, quick open reverse, and then down line of dance, progressive chasse. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.